In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Doc to Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Doc and navigating to the section that contains the table or the block of data you want to move. If it's a table, click and drag across the cells until the entire table is highlighted. If it's plain text arranged in rows and columns, make sure your selection includes only the data you need and not any extra headings or notes that you don't want in the spreadsheet. Taking a moment to select precisely what you need will help it paste cleanly later. With the content highlighted, copy it to your clipboard. On Windows or Chrome, press Ctrl+C. On a Mac, press Cmd-F. Give it a second to ensure everything is captured. What you are copying here is the underlying grid of the table, or the structure implied by tabs and line breaks, which Google Sheets understands very well. Keep in mind that images, comments, and certain complex formatting from docs will not carry over. The focus is on the cells and text. Next, open a new or existing Google Sheet. If you are adding this data to a sheet that already has content, consider where you want the new table to begin so you don't overwrite anything important. If you are unsure, it's perfectly fine to work in a new, blank spreadsheet so the pasted data has plenty of room. Click the cell where you want the top left corner of your data to land. This anchor point determines the position of the entire table. Then paste using Ctrl+V on Windows or Chrome, or Cmd-F on a Mac. You should see the rows and columns populate immediately. If things look misaligned or everything ends up in a single column, that usually means the original selection included stray line breaks or spacing. In that case, simply undo and try copying just the clean data region again. Finally, adjust columns as needed to make the information easy to read. Drag the boundary between column headers to widen or narrow them. Or double-click the boundary to auto-fit based on the longest entry in that column. A quick pass resizing a few columns can transform a cramped paste into a clear, professional-looking table. And that's it. Thanks for watching.